everyone, Ronald Rocky here with Robbie Domingo and Gretchen Ho. And
Hi.
right now, we're doing the Fit and Run Body Run. And it's glad to see you together.
Yeah,
Yes,
every single year, hopefully.
Oo nga eh. So, yung mga fitness event na ganito, saan namin kayo usually makikita, if ever?
If we're not hosting, we're running.
Yes.
I think we both love fitness and we both love taking care of our bodies. So talagang big fan kami sa
And
fun run.
this kind of an event is a big deal for us kasi it's not just a run. It talks about bodies,
Yes.
Actually
finishing
magandang
with
concept
wellness,
siya.
so,
Having fun while working out and being fit.
Tumatakbo ba talaga kayo? And how long na yung
Sa isipan,
natakbo
sa
niyo?
isipan.
Sa isipan.
Tumatakbo. Ako mahilig ako tumakbo ever since before. Super takbo lang ako ng takbo. So, to be part of this is actually a big thing for me.
And one last thing nga lang, ano yung masasabi nyo ng kaibahan ng fitness run ngayon compared to last year? Kasi parang nakita natin yung sobrang dami ng tao. And lahat ng mga runners ngayon, they also, nagkumpul talaga sila.
Yeah,
Especially when they see you on hosting the stage.
Unang-una yung venue, yung venue it's different.
Yes.
We'd love to thank the police and the military for letting us have the whole grounds. And grabe, if you see this whole street, para siyang food fest na eh.
Yeah.
Everybody's just excited to go to the booths and syempre yung mga favorite brands natin yung kasama natin dyan. Tapos to learn more about these products and how it can help them on their wellness journey. So isa yan sa mga goals syempre.
Thank you.
Facebook page of Rock Foods.
And hope to see you on the next coming event.
Yes.
See you.
Thank you. Thank you.